In this video, I will quickly show you how to deploy an application on AWS Lambda. First, go to your AWS account and search for the Lambda service in the main dashboard. Then click Create Function to create a new function. Now choose the Author from Scratch option and set a name for your function. Next, select the programming language your project uses, such as Node, JS, or Python. After that, configure the execution role, which defines the permissions your function will have inside AWS. Once the function is created, upload your code directly in the AWS editor or upload a zip file containing your project. If your application needs external libraries, make sure all of them are included in the deployment package. Now click Deploy to publish the function. If you want the function to respond through a public link, you can connect Lambda with API Gateway. That way, your function can be accessed through a public URL. After setting everything up, run a test to make sure the function is executing correctly. If needed, adjust environment variables, memory, and timeout settings in the function panel. And that's it. Now you know how to deploy on AWS Lambda easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.